All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a moment to copy down this URL. This is going to be the first walkthrough on how to create a edu backlink. So you will want to head to this site here. Go ahead and take a moment to jot that down. Now let me go ahead and give you the walkthrough on how to create this link. So first and foremost, you will want to agree to the terms. When you go to this page, you will be greeted with a list of terms, and then you just need to create your profile. So your ID is going to be your name. I'm going to put a SC. Now you can go ahead and add in any of these that you want, but make sure that you put in your website address. This is going to be the very first link that you create, but you can also go in and start participating in their community. So this is going to be the initial profile.edu backlink that we are going to create.